9 on your side first warning weather with Chief Meteorologist Erin Christiansen.
Okay, I want you to stop what you're doing, take a moment, look up at our live sky cam shot that we have, because this is the last sunset of winter 2013. Spring officially begins tomorrow, at least from a calendar perspective. From a meteorological standpoint, it started at the beginning of March, but tomorrow is the vernal equinox. So we kick off spring. What a beautiful sunset to wind down winter. Right now we're at 78 degrees, partly cloudy skies at Tucson's airport. The wind, not a big issue now from the northwest at just 10 miles per hour, but that is a number that's going to be going up over the next couple of days as the wind returns to the old Pueblo. More on that in just a moment. Right now, though, we're at 68 in Oracle, 79 Casa Grande, 69 in Wilcox, 70 degrees in Sierra Vista, where our skies are mostly clear. Just a few high-level clouds moving in across Pima County. Earlier, we had a nice deck, a rather thick cloud deck. Cirrus clouds, a few stratus clouds in there. In fact, we started the day mostly cloudy. Looked as though it was just going to be overcast for the entire day, but a lot of those clouds have filtered out, but we expect them to filter back in here overnight and again tomorrow. I'll show you the source of these clouds in just a moment. Having little effect, though, on our temperatures. We still managed to warm to 81 degrees here in Tucson. The same in Casa Grande, mid-70s for Wilcox, low 70s Sierra Vista, 78 the high for Douglas. Tucson, expect to keep those partly cloudy skies overnight with a low of 53 at Tucson's airport, 33 though for Summer Haven at Top Mount Lemmon there. And then tomorrow warming to 85 in Tucson, still partly sunny skies. And keep in mind that that actually means more clouds than sun, just part sun. Okay, so we will still see that veil of clouds over us tomorrow with a high of 85 in Tucson, but 54 for Summer Haven. Overnight, 45 degrees. This is how we will start our Wednesday. 46 Oracle, low 50s in Oro Valley, Casa Grande, and in Sells. But by the afternoon, Marana, you're jumping to 85. The same for Phoenix, 77 Oracle, mid 80s here in Tucson. Oro Valley, though, low 80s, 81 for you, the same in Benson, and 75 for Bisbee. So I'm calling this storm system that's moving into the northwest here kind of a midweek hiccup for us. This will eventually, by tomorrow, make its way into the Intermountain West. Won't bring us any rain here in southern Arizona, but there is a chance for rain across the northern portion of the state. We'll also notice the wind picking up as our pressure will change just a touch, and the wind will stick around all the way through our Friday. When we take a step back and kind of look at the big picture here across the west, we're seeing the clouds that are streaming in here across the Southern California. This batch of clouds being drawn in by an area of low pressure, that one I'm calling our midweek hiccup in the Pacific Northwest. So as that's kind of moving in a counterclockwise fashion, it's drawing on these clouds from the eastern Pacific and just pushing them through our skies. Right now, though, the bulk of those clouds staying well enough to our south that we're seeing mostly clear skies for that beautiful sunset. Keep in mind the clouds will return tomorrow, kind of off and on cloud cover all the way through our Friday. The same will stand for our wind, gusting up to 30, maybe 35 miles per hour at times through Friday afternoon. Low 80 sticking around through Friday as well, and then back to normal. Saturday, 75. That's our average this time of year. 72 for Palm Sunday. 9 on your side at 6 o'clock. We'll be right back with sports.